welcome back. So what we're going to be looking at in this class is the conversations that come through from buyers and actually how you create that order. So what we can see here is this particular buyer has messaged me, he's just gone through and he's ready for some thumbnails. This person has actually ordered from me before. Is a really great buyer to work with, always very friendly, always very easy to work with. So he's just sent me through 10 titles for YouTube thumbnails. I was actually on holiday at the time when he first messaged me, so I just said I'm on holiday. I'm actually back that evening that he messaged me, so then I got back, and then what I did is created a custom offer based off what he asked for. So he was asking for 10 thumbnails, no upsells, no extras on the back of it, just a basic 10 thumbnails. So I then sent him through $50 or £40 equivalent, and then just put a 5-day delivery on that. He's then accepted that offer, and then that gets sent through. So he's not gone through the normal search route, and he did when he very first ordered with me, but now he just sends me a direct message. And then all I do is I'd click on this button here, create an offer, and then I'd select the gig, and then you can just type in 10 times thumbnails, for example, offer amount $50 over a 3-day period, and then you can just add on any extras that you want to include in that as well. And then once you submit the offer, that goes to the buyer, and then they can then accept that, and then you can start working on the gig together. Another great tip as well when you're dealing with buyers is I often get a lot of messages through the inbox on Fiverr with people saying, hey, can you design me a thumbnail? Even though my gig is there, it's open, it's waiting for orders, people still feel the need to message me saying, hey, are you still designing thumbnails? So one thing you can actually use is something called a quick response. Now, I use this religiously at the moment. Now, I use this all the time. And whenever people say, can you do this, can you do that, and they just want to check and confirm, it saves me having to type out every single time exactly, yes, that's fine, I can do that. So I actually have some pre-saved quick responses here. So it could be, sure, let's get started. It could be anything from let's go. So this person here said, hey, can you do this? If I then hit let's go, it then adds in all the text really quickly into the message box. And what's really good as well is that there's dynamic name fields as well. So you can actually enter a kind of dynamic field, which then sends it to their username. So I just put, hey, username, how are you? A nice open introduction, very warm and friendly and very personal. And then it says, all sounds good to me. Whenever you're ready, fire up the gig. All I'm trying to do is just get people to order the gig, unless it's a custom request. They're obviously just trying to check that I'm online or working away or still offering gigs. So this is quite common for me, and this is a great way, and it saves me tons of time.